Okay, we are just about done with our all posting transactions save search class. There's a few final things that I want to talk through so that you understand just some additional information of how save searches work. The first thing I want to point out is this public checkbox. So typically, save searches defaults to being private, which means that only you, as the end user who's creating the save search, can use it. However, if you check this public box, that means other users can find this save search. So I think that it really depends, but that will give people access to the save search. Now, keep in mind, I've had instances with clients where certain users can still see the save search, but fields within the search are redacted based on permissions. So you need to be aware and careful that certain permissions are allowed if you want everybody in your organization to see the search. Thankfully, there is some additional permission setting that you can have, right, where you could select different roles. Right now, you don't see me because I'm in a test environment, but you could select only certain roles to be able to see your search. Another important setting is, do you want your audience to be able to edit the search? So typically, the owner is the only person who can edit search. If you allow the audience to edit, then another user could see this page, edit the search, and then save it and override whatever the original permissions were. So a couple things to kind of be aware of and think about as you're developing these save searches. Another final thing I want to show you is the audit trail. So this will show you what user made edits, what the edit was, and how and the timing. These are some nice metadata to keep track of. And then you can also see the execution log. So when was the last time somebody ran the search? Okay, so that is it for my all posting transactions save search class. I've got a couple final steps and reminders, and then we'll be ready to wrap it up.